what picks you up when you're falling down, and what brings a smile to replace a frown. What brings good when all seems bad, turn around and make you happy when you are feeling sad. It's my God, love, He sent it to us from above. Somebody might be feeling sad. It will sad. And if somebody do you wrong, it will. It'll make you forgive and turn around and love again. Love, something so sweet and good to me, broke all the chains that bind me. And what is this light that shines my way? Sweeter and sweeter every day. And what is this thing sometimes that'll make me cry, make me feel good, yeah, and I don't know why. One moment the tears from my face, turn around and give me strength just to run my race. Oh, love, He sent it to us from above. Just in case you're feeling sad, I know that it will right now. And if somebody do you wrong, it will. It'll make you forgive. You can tell all the way to love. Share it one more time, yeah. From above. Just in case you're sad and you're sad, good God Almighty, He will. And when somebody do you wrong, it will. It'll make you forgive. You can turn around and love. Say that just one more time, yeah. Good God, He keeps you on. He sends it to you from above. Just in case you're feeling sad, it'll sad. I know that it will right now. And if somebody do you wrong, it will. It'll make you forgive. You can turn around and love. He will give that. It's love. It's God. I feel it in my heart tonight. Love. Do you feel it in your heart out there? God. Anybody know the love is real? Love. Can you feel the love right now? God, ain't the Lord good to you, yeah? Ain't God good, God? Won't He move in your heart tonight? Love. Won't He make your heart feel right? God. Won't He make you love those that love do you wrong? God, good God Almighty, He's real. Love. Anybody know He's real or not? God, I love to call His name. Love. He sends it down, yeah. He sends it to you from above. Somebody might be feeling sad. Feeling sad. I know that it will right now. And if somebody do you wrong, it will. It'll make you forgive. Turn around and love again. How y'all doing?